My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that are associated with the website Favoritespace.top. Favoritespace.top. This is the website trying to trick you into subscribing to its multiple advertisements that will be displayed as random push notifications. The site Favoritespace.top tries to make you click on a special allow button. It says that this is some browser checkup or some verification. In some other cases, it might tell you that people need to verify their age or to prove that they're humans and not robots. But clicking on the allow button is dangerous because in this case, your browser will be hijacked. You will be redirected to some other junk resources, and also you will start receiving a lot of advertisements that will be shown in the right part of the screen. If you have clicked on the allow button, definitely it was a mistake and it needs to be fixed urgently. Go to the menu, go to settings, choose privacy and security, site settings, go to permissions and select notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications, and if you find this Favoritespace.top, make sure you remove it from the list, and also remove other malicious sites that are causing such troubles on your screen. After you have removed all these deceitful sites, the problem should be fixed, but I also recommend that you additionally examine your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is crucial because the computer could be also burdened by some hidden adware. Combo Cleaner will help you very well to detect such hidden threats. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, install the program, and then begin researching your device with its help to detect and delete all such concealed infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.